Discounted cash flow, or DCF, is a financial method used to estimate the value of an investment or business by projecting its future cash flows and discounting them back to their present value. This method helps investors determine whether an investment is worth pursuing by considering the time value of money. The idea that a dollar today is worth more than a dollar in the future due to its earning potential. Let's break it down with a simple explanation and example. At its core, DCF involves two steps. First, estimating the future cash flows an investment is expected to generate, and second, using a discount rate to calculate what those future cash flows are worth today. The sum of these discounted cash flows gives you the DCF value, which you can compare to the investment's current cost to see if it's a good deal. Here's a simple example. Imagine you're considering buying a small business for $100,000. You estimate that the business will generate $40,000 in cash flow annually for the next 3 years. However, because money loses value over time, you discount those future cash flows back to today's value using a discount rate, often based on the return you could earn from a similar investment or your cost of capital. Let's say your discount rate is 10%. Using the DCF formula, the present value of each year's cash flow is calculated as PV equals future cash flow divided by open parenthesis 1 plus our close parenthesis to the power of n, where r is the discount rate and n is the year. For year 1, $40,000 divided by 1 plus 0.10, caret 1 equals $36,364. For year 2, $40,000 divided by 1 plus 0.10, caret 2 equals $33,058. For year 3, $40,000 divided by 1 plus 0.10, caret 3 equals $30,053. Adding these together, the total present value of the cash flows is $36,364 plus $33,058 plus $30,053 equals $99,475. Since the DCF value of $99,475 is slightly less than the $100,000 cost of the business, this investment may not be worth it based on your assumptions. DCF is widely used because it provides a clear picture of an investment's value by accounting for future cash flows and risk. A higher discount rate means future cash flows are worth less today, reflecting greater risk. For example, if the business were riskier, you might use a 15% discount rate, further reducing the present value of the cash flows. However, DCF has its limitations. It relies heavily on estimates for future cash flows and the discount rate, so small changes in these assumptions can significantly impact the results. That's why it's often used alongside other methods to evaluate investments.